This is Jeep Cherokee 2019 model. I'm going to program all smart keys lost using Launch Door Pro and using the JCD1 cable. Okay, this JCD1 cable I'm going to use it. All smart keys lost. So see, let's how to do it. Go to Emo and go to Jeep. Select it from vehicle. North America Cherokee 2019 smart case, read pin code. So this CD cable is request. Okay, switch ignition on, hazard is on. Okay, so it's read pin code. Okay, now going to program keys. If you want to delete keys, there is option you can delete the original keys. So I don't want to delete it because customer not request. So I just program the new one. Switch ignition off. I keep the switch ignition is off and hazard is on. Press enter. So make sure there is no any devices nearby. Press OK. And this pin code. Press it OK. So this you have to finish within 30 seconds. Okay, keep the remote as on your hand. Press OK, and now just press the unlock button twice on nearby here. It's successful. So now its key is 4. So when you're programming, you should keep the hand is here and press. That's it. Programming complete. Now you can check the remote. It is going to work or no. Just close the door. So it's open. So press unlock. Where are you? Just open and close the door again. Maybe because device is connected. Don't know. It's not an issue. Yeah, it's working. Car is starting. And check the remote.